Now we shall move on to exercise 2. Here you should write these answers into your homework notebook, because in your notebook CWs, because it is not possible to write the answers here, right? So you have to write these answers in your notebook. Now I am reading out, as usual, I am reading out 1, 2 and 3, first 3 sentences. Later words I'll just share the answer key. I'll just focus the camera on the answer key. You note it down from the answer key and write it in your notebook. The first one is children leave all sorts of things in school buses, right? You have to change this into passive voice. So what will you make? All sorts of things are being are left in school buses by children, right? All sorts of things are left in school buses by children. Then next one, your conduct puzzles me. I am puzzled by your conduct, right? Then number 3, a gardener regularly trims the hedge in my lawn. The hedge in my lawn is regularly trimmed by a gardener. I take good care of my toys. My toys are taken good care of by me, right? Then further, fifth one, this book contains many colorful pictures. Use contained in, right? Many colorful pictures are contained in this book, right? Now 6, 7, 8 and 9, 10 is your homework. I'll focus it on the answer key for 2 to 3 minutes, for 2 to 3 seconds. Just pause the video and write down the answers in your notebook. Okay, now we shall move on to the next further this thing, simple past. Simple past, you are already aware what are simple past, but simple past in passive कैसे use करना है, that we shall study. The driver immediately applied the brakes. This is in active voice. The brakes were applied immediately. The brakes were immediately applied by the driver. This is in passive voice. Then number 2, did you receive my letter in time? This is in active. Was my letter received by you in time? This is passive. Then who organized the function? This is in active. By whom was the function organized? This is passive. Who was the function organized by? This is also a kind of passive voice. Normally this last wala who wala is normally being used, right? Then further, active voice, past tense of the verb applied, did, receive, organized. Passive voice, was, were plus past participle form of the verb, were applied, was received, was organized, right? And so this type of form is being used. This you need to write down as important points. Now further we shall move on to exercise 3, that is fill in the blanks with active or passive form of verbs as required. All verbs in simple past, right? Past tense, simple past tense का verb आपको use करना है. For the verbs given in the bracket, it may be active, it may be passive. Now I have written all the answers here. I will read the first 3 sentences, 1, 2 and 3. Rest of them I'll just focus it on the answers. You just copy it down in your textbook itself, because it's fill in the blank, so you need not write this into your notebook. The first one is the announcement dash everybody happy. Make का हो जाएगा made. The announcement made everybody happy. The announcement dash by the principal, make, was made by the principal. Then next one, the program dash to be a grand success, proved to be a grand success, right? Now 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, I am focusing it here on the answers. Please note it down. 4th में है was produced. 5th में है was beaten, beat का beaten. 6th में है won, win का won. 7th में है played, play का played हो जाएगा. Then 8th में were honored, honor का honored हो जाएगा. 9th में it starts with was, the luggage checked thoroughly, check का checked हो जाएगा. 10th में did से start होगा. Did the luggage dash to be a source of trouble, prove to be a source of trouble. Proof का prove ही रहेगा, because did से आप start कर रहे हो तो base form of verb, right? Now we shall move on further on exercise 4. Exercise 4, change these sentences from active to passive voice. Now these sentences you will write in homework in your notebook, right? I am writing it here in notebook में लिखना है because यहाँ आप आंसर नहीं लिख सकते हो. I am narrating the answers for first 3 sentences and focusing it on the answer key. A rainstorm flooded the village, इसका passive करना है. The village was flooded by a rainstorm. The village was flooded by a rainstorm. Then second one, the timely warning prevented the accident. The accident was prevented by a timely warning. Kohli scored 24 runs in 4 balls. 24 runs were scored by Kohli in 4 balls, right? Now rest of the sentences from 4 to 10, I'm just focusing on the answer key. You can just go through, right? The first one, the village was flooded by a rainstorm. The accident was prevented by a timely warning. 24 runs were scored by Kohli in 4 balls. A new pair of Nike shoes was sent to me by my father. I was sent a new pair of Nike shoes by my father. This is also correct. I was told by him not to sit there. The speaker was asked a difficult question by them. The proposal was objected to. ये पूरा आएगा preposition के साथ. To is the preposition here, right? By most of the members. Was any lesson learnt by him from this experience? By whom was the notice signed? Who was the notice signed by? Both are correct, right? ये भी सही है, ये भी सही है, दोनों use कर सकते हो. When was the Chipko movement started by Mr. Bahuguna? Right? Now, simple future, right? Simple past किया, simple present किया. Now we move on to simple future. Number 1, I shall post these letters tomorrow. This is an active. These letters will be posted tomorrow. यहाँ पे I दिया है. Here subject is implied, right? Subject is not mentioned. Then number 2, when will they vacate the house? When will the house be vacated by them? Now here, active voice. This you have to write in the notebook. Active voice, shall, will plus root form of verb. Shall post with vacate, will vacate. Passive voice, shall be, will be plus past participle form of the verb, will be posted or will be vacated, right? Now will be क्यों यूज़ कर रहे हैं? Because future है ये, future tense में यूज़ कर रहे हैं हम लोग, right? So supporting verbs future के यूज़ करने पड़ेंगे. So now let us do exercise 5, which is regarding future tense, right? Exercise 5, change these sentences from active to passive voice. First 3 as usual I will read and say out the answers and then focus on the answer key, right? So the first one is, people will forget this incident in a few months' time. People will forget this incident in a few months' time. So what answer will you form? This incident will be forgotten by people in few months' time, right? By people लिखोगे तो भी चलेगा, नहीं लिखोगे तो भी चलेगा. I'll just repeat it. This incident will be forgotten by people in a few months' time. Then number 2, Miss Verma will give you the other details. The other details will be given to you by Miss Verma, or you will be given the other details by Miss Verma. The loud noise of passing vehicles will disturb the child. The child will be disturbed by the loud noise of passing vehicles, right? Now 4, 5, 6 and 7 you should do on your own, and I will just focus it on the answer key. So here it is, the fourth one, the goods will be dispatched by us as early as possible. Number 5, will her voice never be heard again by us? Number 6, by whom will these investigations be carried out? Or who will these investigations be carried out by? Number 7, which of these candidates will be chosen by you as the secretary? Right, by you लिखोगे तो भी चलेगा, नहीं लिखोगे तो भी चलेगा. If it is implied then also it will do. Now we shall move further. Present continuous tense. प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस फॉर्म हमको पता है क्या करते हैं हम लोग. प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस में आई एम, इज, आर, एम प्लस वर्ब प्लस आई वाला फॉर्म है. राइट, so how to use it in passive voice, that we shall study. Our drama society is staging a ballet, sorry not bullet, ballet मतलब एक ballet dance program कर रहा है. This is in active. A ballet is being staged by our drama society. This is in passive. Then why are they pulling down the old huts? This is in active. Why are the old huts being pulled down by them? By them लिखना ज़रूरी नहीं है, being pulled down is okay, right? So the same way you have to solve exercise 6. Exercise 6, again first 3 1 I will read out and say the answers. Rest you will write on your own. Exercise 6, change these sentences from active to passive voice. The members are discussing the problem seriously. Right? So the problems are discussed. The problem is being seriously discussed by the members. The problem is being seriously discussed by the members. Then number 2, he is forcing me to sign these papers. I am being forced by him to sign these papers. Then number 3, they are showing the match live. The match is being shown live by them. Right, by them लिखो तो भी सही है, नहीं लिखोगे then also it's fine. Now 4 5 6 and 7 you write it down directly. I'm just focusing it here. So fourth one is, several new schemes are being introduced by the government. Number 5, are the doors being left unlocked by you? By whom are these students being guided? Who are these students being guided by? Number 7, why is so much noise being made by the children? Right, now let us move on to past continuous tense. पास्ट कंटिन्यूस इज नंबर 1. हम लोग जानते हैं कंटिन्यूस में वर्ब प्लस आई आता ही है. पास्ट टेंस में वॉज वेयर हम लोग यूज़ करते हैं. वॉज इज़ यूज फॉर सिंगुलर, वेयर इज़ यूज फॉर प्लूरल. नंबर 1, all of us were cheering our team, that is active. Our team was being cheered by all of us, that is passive. Number 2, were the artist rehearsing the play, active. Was the play being rehearsed, passive. Now again write these important points. In active voice we use was were plus ing form of verb, were cheering, were rehearsing. In passive voice was were plus being plus past participle form of the verb, was being cheered, was being rehearsed. So now we have to solve exercise 7 with this. Change these sentences from active to passive voice. I was watching the whole scene very carefully. Right, I will again solve the first 3 for your reference and rest you will do as homework. Right, so the first one is, I was watching the whole scene very carefully. The whole scene was being watched by me very carefully. Then the company was promoting a new product. A new product was being promoted by the company. The teachers were discussing the examination results. The examination results were being discussed by the teachers. Now 4 5 6 and 7 you do it on your own. Again I am focusing on the answer key. So here just note all the answers down. If you want you can pause the video here and note down the answers. Now quickly we will finish off future continuous tense and further we will stop. So now future continuous tense. Verbs in future continuous tense cannot be expressed in the passive voice. This is a simple statement. Verbs in future continuous tense cannot be expressed in passive voice. So this is never possible. Now we shall do it M as present perfect. How do you use perfect tenses? in passive voice. That is, first one is we have produced a number of books for children. Active. A number of books for children have been produced by us. This is passive. Number 2, who has used my towel? Active. By whom has my towel been used? Been आया यहाँ पे. Who has my towel been used by? Now this, write down present perfect heading लगा के फिर ये सब लिखना. Active voice. Has, have plus past participle form of the verb have produced, has produced. And in passive voice it is has, have plus been plus past participle form of the verb have been produced, has been produced, right? So this is being used in present perfect tense. Now exercise 8, we are supposed to use present perfect tense to solve this exercise. Change these sentences from active to passive voice. Somebody has stolen all the red roses. So what answer will you make in passive voice? It will be all the red roses have been stolen by somebody. I have already downloaded this caller tune. This caller tune has already been downloaded by me. They have elected me the secretary of the club. Right? I have been elected the secretary of the club by them. I have read the first 3. Now see, generally ये सारे रूल्स याद रखोगे. हैव बीन और हैज़ बीन, इससे अच्छा सिंपल फर्स्ट रूल याद रखो. पैसिव वॉइस में ये सब्जेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट बन जाता है, ऑब्जेक्ट सब्जेक्ट बन जाता है, एंड सब ऑब्जेक्ट इज़ द रिसीवर ऑफ द एक्शन, सो इट बिकम्स इनडायरेक्ट, राइट. तो आपको वो बेसिक याद रखोगे तो सेंटेंस अपने आप शिफ्ट करना आ जाएगा, rather than remembering all the technicalities into this, right? So I am focusing the video on the answers of this. Just note them down and we'll stop here. Have you been told the real problem by someone? Have the accounts been verified by somebody? Why have the parks been neglected by the authorities? By which doctor has the medicine been prescribed, right? I'll just focus it for 2-3 seconds. You can pause the video and write down the answers here. So now we have finished this. Now it is past perfect. Past perfect we shall do next time. We stop here today. Whatever points I have made you underline, like this boxes that I have asked you to write down, just write down. Put the heading of different tenses like past continuous, passive form, present perfect, passive form, और वो ये सब mention करके नीचे लिखो. और कोई important points मैंने लिखवाया नहीं. जो fill in the blanks नहीं है वो sentences आपको answers लिखने पड़ेंगे in your notebook. No need to write fill in the blanks in the notebook. वो इधर ही रखो. Textbook में it is better that you write the answers properly and clearly in the textbook itself, so that whenever you want you can refer them. But ये वाले answers आप notebook में लिखो so that you can read it at the time of exams. So we stop here today. From past perfect we shall start next time.